Okay guys, I had to do a little bit more than I thought. I had to take these two seats out. Still not difficult. There's just 4 screws on each side, 10 millimeter. Pulls those 2 seat cushion things out, and then the carpet can pull up. Let's see. And you can get to these 2 bolts right here. I think you can see them. That bolt that thing down. And then we can slide it through. Still a hell of a lot better than taking the driver's seat out, disconnecting all the electronics, doing the A-pillar and the bottom rocker piece. So we're still faring better than anything else I've seen on the internet.